Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we try to figure out if companies are really as shiny as they seem, or if they're just playing dress up. Today we're looking at Horizon Bancorp Inc. And let's just say they're making some noise in the market, so let's decode what that actually means. Before we dive in, if you love getting straight answers from these sometimes sleepy corporate filings, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you want to chat about these numbers with other finance fanatics, join our Discord server, link in the description below. Alright, so what are we looking at here? This is a Form 8K, which is like a company's urgent announcement system. It's for reporting big, important stuff that happens between their regular quarterly reports. Think of it as a news flash from the company. And the news flash date is August 2025, so what's the big story? The main event here is that Horizon Bancorp is launching a big sale of its own stock. They're essentially creating and selling more shares to the public. Now, why would a company with shares already trading do this? Well, it's usually to raise a good chunk of cash. This filing tells us they're talking about their common stock, which is pretty standard. It's the basic ownership stake in a company. And this HBNC ticker symbol is what you'd look for on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange if you wanted to buy or sell shares of Horizon Bancorp. The reason they're putting this out as a Regulation FD disclosure is important. It means they're letting everyone know about this stock offering at the same time, so no one gets an unfair advantage. It's all about fair play in the stock market. The core of this report is a press release that lays out the details of this stock offering. Now, typically when a company offers more shares, it's to get money for growth. They might want to invest in new projects, buy another company, pay down debt, or just beef up their cash reserves. This filing doesn't give us the actual numbers of how much stock they're selling or at what price. That information would be in the press release itself, which is attached as an exhibit. But the fact that they're doing this means they believe now is a good time to raise capital. Think about it this way. If you own a house and you think the housing market is hot, you might take out a bigger mortgage or even get a home equity loan to invest in something else. This is kind of like that for Horizon Bancorp. They're leveraging their ownership value to get cash now. The real meat and potatoes, especially for us, would be in the attached exhibits. Without seeing that press release, we don't know the exact size of the offering or the expected use of funds, but we can infer that they're looking to boost their financial firepower. This item just points to how the data is formatted, making it machine readable for regulators and analysis tools. Nothing super exciting for us as viewers, but important for the systems. And who's signing off on this important news? John R. Stewart, who holds the title of Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer. This role is crucial because the CFO is a top financial steward of the company, making sure everything adds up and that the company's money is managed wisely. His signature means this announcement has been vetted and approved by the top financial brass. So let's wrap this up with a bit of an analysis. Horizon Bancorp is conducting a public offering of its stock. This is generally a sign that the company is looking to grow or strengthen its financial position. They're tapping into the market to raise funds. What could this mean for investors? Well, if you're already a shareholder, issuing more stock can sometimes dilute your ownership percentage. If they sell a lot of new shares, your piece of the company becomes a little smaller, and earnings per share might go down if profits don't increase at the same pace. Fixed on a lot of new shares, your piece of the company becomes a little smaller, and earnings per share might go down if profits don't increase at the same pace. However, if the company uses the money wisely, this dilution could be a small price to pay for future growth. They might be planning a smart acquisition, expanding into new markets, or investing in technology that will make them more profitable down the line. The biggest missing piece here, without seeing the press release, is the why and how much. Is this a small cash infusion for opportunistic investments, or is it a major capital raise for a transformative project? The success of this offering. Alright, that's our quick decode of Horizon Bancorp's latest announcement. What's your take on this stock offering? Do you think it's a smart move for growth or a sign of needing cash? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more regular dives into the world of corporate finance. Don't forget to join our Discord community to keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next decode.